Should you choose decorative stone or mulch? It really comes down to the look you want and how much maintenance you're willing to do. Welcome to Van Beek's Landscape Supply and another edition of Product of the Week. Today, we're comparing decorative stone, including river rock and mulch, to help you decide what's best for your landscape. Decorative stone is a long-lasting landscape option that won't break down over time and requires very little maintenance. It is a great choice for garden beds, around foundations, walkways, and other areas where you want a clean, finished look that lasts. River rock is one of the most popular decorative stone options because of its smooth, natural appearance. It's commonly used in garden beds, around trees, drainage areas, and dry creek beds where you want both beauty and function. Mulch, on the other hand, gives your gardens a natural, finished look while helping retain moisture, insulating plant roots, and reduces weed growth. Because it is an organic product, it naturally breaks down over time, adding organic matter back into the soil. Most gardens benefit from a fresh layer of mulch each year or two. You can find decorative stone, river rock, and mulch at Van Beek's Landscape Supply in-store or online at vanbeeks.com for delivery right to your door. Available in bulk or in convenient Super Sac yard bags.